John and Mary had been married for 50 years. Their love story began when they were just teenagers in high school. John saw Mary for the first time walking down the hall, and it was love at first sight. He knew in that moment that he wanted to marry her. They started dating and continued their relationship even when John went away to college. After graduating, John proposed to Mary, and they got married in a small church ceremony surrounded by their families and closest friends. Now, decades later, their love is still going strong. On World Marriage Day this year, John surprised Mary with a beautiful bouquet of roses and took her out to a romantic dinner. "After all these years, you still give me butterflies," Mary said as she gazed lovingly at her husband across the table. John reached out and held her hand. "You're my whole world. Happy World Marriage Day, my dear." World Marriage Day was created in 1983 by Worldwide Marriage Encounter, a Catholic organization. They wanted a day to honor husband and wife relationships and remind couples about the importance of marriage. The celebration always falls on the second Sunday in February, right before Valentine's Day. It is now observed by a variety of faiths and churches all over the world as an opportunity to appreciate and strengthen the lifelong commitment of marriage. This special day recognizes the trials and triumphs that come with married life. Marriage provides stability for raising children, financial security, and companionship through life's ups and downs. Research shows that married people experience better physical and mental health and live longer than unmarried individuals. World Marriage Day celebrates these benefits and encourages married couples to continue growing in happiness together. On World Marriage Day, married couples celebrate their relationship in various ways. Many attend special church services or marriage enrichment programs. Couples may go out for a romantic dinner, exchange gifts, reminisce over wedding photos, take a weekend getaway, or spend quality time together doing an activity they both enjoy. Family and friends often reach out with well wishes, flowers, or cards congratulating the couple. Most importantly, World Marriage Day is a reminder for married partners to appreciate one another and continue nurturing their lifelong bond. The second Sunday in February is World Marriage Day. Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful World Marriage Day. Cheers!